Greetings. It is Friday, September 16th, 2022. I've decided to frame the plain wood frame that SWD52 Series 52 I had framed in. So I got this scrap wood molding on the left attached yesterday. Just attached this a few minutes ago on the bottom. I'm going to add two different pieces of scrap. On the one on the top, one on the right, similar to what I did with the framing of Under the Wings 75, the last artwork in that series, where I had framed the drawing first in a plain black wood frame, and then I added pieces of scrap molding I had lying around, frame molding that is. Levo Barshevsky, a great uncle to me, an uncle to my mother. He was murdered by the Nazis. All right, and since the drawing of Sightseeing Dignity 51, the slain Palestinian journalist Shireen Abu Akleh is in the exact same size, same frame as the drawing of Raffale here, I'm going to also add some molding to that drawing, a world drawing of her as well. All right, I'll re-video it and photograph it after it's completely done.